Welcome back. Let's talk about BHEL preparation schedule calculator. Yes, you heard it right. Schedule calculator, preparation schedule calculator for your specific needs. Let's see, you can, just calculate the way you use a calculator. And this will be for electrical engineering, engineer, trainee people. Okay. So I'll tell you how you can access this calculator. Okay, I'll tell you all those details. I'll tell you links also for all of this. Okay, let's see. So I already given the previous videos. If you are starting from the zero, then how you should use this calculator, I already said it. Now this video is all about, you already know some subjects to some extent. If that is the case, how you should use this calculator. Okay, your personal exam preparation schedule calculator. So you keep the deadline here, exam deadline, or maybe 2 days before, what are the deadline, you can change. Okay, I'll tell you where you can use this, where you can access this. And your target marks, how many marks you should be targeting for. 150 marks, if you get it, you will clear through the written test. Okay, so, and your mind capacity, your mind digestion capacity per day is, suppose, 3 hours per day. Your mind can digest 3 hours per day. Okay, you already know these are the subjects, list, they are the subject list, and these are minimum marks from each subject. Power system analysis, which includes load flow analysis, per unit analysis, fault analysis, stability analysis, all these aspects. Of course, stability analysis is not there in the BHEL syllabus, but yeah, in general, I'm just saying. Okay, so there are the minimum number of marks. To complete this course, this is the minimum number of hours required to watch the lectures. All right. Now let's see reasoning, general knowledge, and general English. Okay, I'm focusing on these three. So suppose, their marks is, maximum mark is for 50, 20, and 50. But suppose I'm able to crack only from this, my capacities or your capacity, whatever your specific number, you can keep that number here. Okay, you can easily get some number, suppose. So if you are good at this as well, some 7 to 8 marks, as per your preparation, you just add these numbers, and this will be usually easy. You can make it up to 45 or 50 marks, definitely. Yes. Okay, so now after selecting these non-technical subjects, which you already scored 78 marks, you're aiming for 150 marks, you need to select remaining marks. So let's see, you have already, suppose, I'm just saying this planner, if you already completed certain parts of syllabus. Okay, electrical circuits, suppose you already completed, you need 2 days to revise. You need 2 days to revise, just 2 days enough to revise it. Okay, DC machines and synchronous machines, you are getting 9 marks, and most of the students, you have completed this. Yes, you need 2 days to revise it. Okay, and next, people have completed power system, transmission, distribution. So to revise, you need 2 days to complete revise this. These all green color are revision subjects. According to your revision subject, you select it. Okay, this planner, I'll tell you where to access it. Now, you're getting how many marks? You're getting 107 marks. So now you just add up another subject. So let's suppose I want to go with EMFT, because it is giving 10 marks. It is giving me in the exam with just 40 hours of course. And believe me guys, these 10 marks are very easy to get. Yes, it is easy if you follow the course properly. EMFT is not tough. In PiSquare, if you see, BHEL course, Karthik sir has taught in a beautiful manner, right from the basics to the mastery level. Means if you watch this 40 hours of magnetic fields lectures, I'm pretty sure you will crack all these 40 marks, all these 10 marks in just 40 days. I mean, in just 16 days, 40 hours. Yes, you will do it. So this, suppose if you already cracked it, you just change it accordingly. Mark it as revision and reduce the number of days. What are the number of days you want for the revision? Okay. Then what else? Let me just focus on signals and systems, because it is giving a significant number of marks. So let me select this. Then How many marks? I got 127 marks. Let me add power electronics into this, because 50 hours, number of hours is less, marks is more, power electronics. That is it. Now the border is saying some warning it is giving. Some warning it is giving. Means what? If you're going beyond the limit, 60 days, you have 57 days left, but you have planned for 60 days. So if you just put a little more effort, if you put 3.5 hours instead of 3 hours, yes, it is well within the limit. It is well within the limit. So in the process of doing this, you can add up some more subjects. One more subject, I think if you add up, you'll come close to 150 marks. Okay, let me take that subject as another significant: transformer and induction machine. Okay, so you're coming close to 145 or something. This is the minimum number of marks you will get. Definitely in the paper you will see little more questions, not just these. Okay, and if you are good enough, if you get some easy questions over here and you answer a couple of questions over here, that's it, you're done. Okay, so you'll get close to 150, yeah, 150, 151, whatever. Just slight adjustments. Now you see how much effort you have to put. Now if you see, I didn't select this power system analysis. Why? Because it is only giving 50 hours, it is taking only 4 marks. Let's not select it. Okay, so in that way you're designing. Once this is done, once this preparation plan is done, I think let me reduce something somewhere. I'll have to quickly revise it, because though power electronics is taking 17 days, I have to put little more efforts in understanding power electronics. So I'm reducing little number of days over here, or maybe I'm increasing time to 4 hours here. Okay, I'm increasing time to 4 hours, 3.5 hours. Little more effort if you put it, because you're coming close to 150 marks. Now it is 150 marks. Your target is 150. You are getting 150. Once this is a design, now you focus on these dates. You focus on these dates. So far we're adjusting this. We're adjusting this by looking at this number. Now once this is matched, now you look at these dates. Once these dates are done, you simply click here, freeze my plan. Once this freeze my plan is done, this plan is freezed. This calculation, these dates and everything, it is doing automatically. Selection, deselection, everything it's taking automatically. This calculator will take care of all of these things automatically. Now to freeze it, how this calculator works and all the instructions are given here. You can read all these instructions. That's it. You stick to it. Dates, everything you follow. That's it. Now where do you get this? How can you access it? You just check PiSquare app in the description. From the description, download the PiSquare app. Go to BHEL course. It's free. This calculator, you can freely access it. Yes, absolutely free. Just download the app and go to BHEL course, and in the content, go for this. Only on app. It is not available for PC users. Only on app. You can see for free. So check this. Personal BHEL preparation planner or preparation calculator. You check this out, and all these videos, preparation planning videos, all these videos are free. You can watch all of them. Okay. So check it out. Access this plan. Make a proper plan, because we believe at PiSquare, planning, preparation and practice. Planning, preparation, practice. That's what PiSquare style. Okay. Once you have a proper plan, execution of the plan itself is a preparation. Checking how well you have executed the plan, that is what the practice test, online test. Okay. And we have introduced some interesting games also for you to keep track of your planning part. Everything is there, freely available for you guys, freely available here. All of this, whatever you are seeing here, they are free. This tracking, not the course, yes, this planning part, tracking part, all these are free. Preparation tracker, you can freely access it from the mobile app. That's the end of this session. Hope you're taking best out of this planning part, this calculator which we have introduced. That's the end of this session. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp. Check the link in the description for WhatsApp numbers and these app details and all. Everything is over there. There are free videos available on our app. Check it out. Happy learning. Enjoy the learning in PiSquare style. Have a good time.